How to delete incognito history on iPhone. Now by this, what I'm thinking that you're assuming is that because incognito is something that is not supposed to track your history, right? But sometimes what actually happens is that even though your phone is not tracking them, your internet service provider who provided you the internet actually might have access to your incognito history. So if you want to actually remove that, so whenever you're on a certain page, let's say while you're private browsing, let's say you're on facebook.com or all of the other websites and so on, and what you want to do is, if you don't want the internet service provider to track your IP address and everything else, just as soon as you're on that, just enable flight mode, turn off any connection to Wi-Fi or mobile data, then just go ahead and close that. Then after that, you can try to uninstall the Safari app and reinstall the Safari app. Then once done, you can turn off flight mode and enable Wi-Fi back again, and this time it will not go ahead and then send the history to your internet service provider. So this is how you can delete your incognito history on your iPhone by not letting anybody know what you browsed to, not even your internet service provider. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.